Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best portable air compressor that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is DENVIX Portable Air Compressor. The DENVIX Portable Air Compressor provides a reliable solution for drivers who need fast and easy tire inflation on the go. It is cordless and works using a built-in battery, offering flexibility without depending on nearby power outlets. With a powerful internal motor, it inflates a standard car tire from flat to ready within a short time. The compact design makes it simple to carry and store in a vehicle, backpack, or drawer. This device includes a large battery with a capacity of 15,000 mAh. The battery supports inflating several vehicle tires, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports balls without running out quickly. Along with air pumping, it functions as a portable power bank, giving extra charge to smartphones, laptops, and other gadgets when needed. It offers quick charging with 45-watt speed. After a 10-minute charge using the included adapter, the compressor becomes ready to use. Recharging the battery to full takes about 1 hour with a powerful charger or about 2 hours with a lower watt option. This helps users stay prepared even during busy travel or daily use. A touchscreen adds to the modern design, allowing simple control in both day and night conditions. Bright light modes are included to help during nighttime repairs or emergencies. The white light suits close work, while the yellow setting is ideal for camping. A red flashing mode is helpful during road issues. This package contains the compressor, an air tube, several valve converters, a fast charging cable, a cigarette charger, and a storage pouch. It is designed to be easy to use, making it a dependable item for car owners, cyclists, and travelers who value preparation and convenience. In our list, the number 2 product name is HUICCN Portable Air Compressor. The HUICCN Portable Air Compressor offers a compact and cordless design for inflating tires and other inflatables without external power. This mini air pump works on a battery-powered system and supports car, motorcycle, bicycle, and sports equipment inflation. With a digital pressure gauge, users can see real-time values clearly and control air levels precisely during use. Its internal battery has a capacity of 12,000 mAh, making it suitable for multiple tire fills without frequent charging. It performs fast inflation by handling pressures up to 150 pounds per square inch. For added safety, it automatically stops when the desired value is reached, protecting tires from overfilling. The included digital display and pressure presets allow users to choose settings for various inflatables, such as motorcycles, bicycles, or car wheels. The device includes a separate custom setting that allows manual adjustment based on different air requirements. This makes the tool more versatile for outdoor and everyday use. In addition to its main use, this small compressor is helpful during emergencies. It includes a top light with flashlight, emergency signal, and strobe modes to guide night operations or call for help. It also functions as a backup charger for mobile phones and other electronics through both USB-C and USB connections. The package includes the inflator and air hose, nozzles for different valve types, a ball needle, a charging cable, and a user manual. Its lightweight build and cordless operation make it easy to carry in backpacks or vehicle storage. The tool serves drivers, cyclists, and sports users looking for a quick and easy solution to maintain pressure and stay safe during travel or activities. In our list, the number 3 product name is Powools Portable Air Compressor. Powools cordless tire inflator offers a lightweight and portable solution for inflating car tires, bicycles, motorcycles, and sports equipment. This air compressor runs without an external power source, using built-in rechargeable batteries to operate. It suits drivers and outdoor users who want fast inflation and convenience on the road or during travel. This red-colored air pump includes a digital screen that shows the current and preset pressure. Users can monitor values with clarity and stop worrying about overfilling. When the chosen pressure is reached, the machine turns off automatically, adding safety and ease to its daily operation. With a powerful system inside, it can handle common tire emergencies by restoring air levels within minutes. After running for 10 minutes, it needs a rest period to ensure performance and long-term durability. The inflator supports multiple pressure units such as pounds per square inch, kilopascal bar, and kilogram per square centimeter for accurate readings. This compact tool includes various nozzles to support different valve types, whether for vehicles or inflatable items. It can inflate tires or balls anytime without the need for cables or nearby power sockets. The total weight is only 0.56 kilograms, making it easy to store in a car trunk or backpack. On top, a light helps users operate the inflator in low light. The lamp has 3 modes that can act as a flashlight, signal, or emergency beacon. In our list, the number 4 product name is HUICCN Portable Air Compressor. The HUICCN Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor offers a compact solution for inflating tires and other inflatable items while on the move. This cordless air pump supports both battery-powered and 12-volt direct current-powered charging methods, making it flexible for use during everyday tasks or emergencies. The mini electric air pump has a pressure capacity of up to 150 pounds per square inch, allowing it to fill a car tire quickly without external help. It includes a rechargeable battery with 2,500 mAh double cells, which takes about 2.5 hours to fully recharge. After a complete charge, it can handle multiple inflations. The high-quality outer shell is made of durable alloy that provides resistance to shocks and heat. A silicone handle and a portable storage pouch help users carry and store it easily in vehicles, bikes, or backpacks. Its digital display shows real-time pressure, helping to monitor progress and stop automatically at the selected limit. It supports 4 types of pressure units and multiple inflation modes suitable for bicycles, motorcycles, cars, and sports balls. The included attachments increase its versatility for different objects. Besides inflating, this product works as a backup power source for mobile phones through its USB Type-A and USB Type-C ports. This makes it helpful during trips, roadside problems, or outdoor travel. A strong built-in light with 3 brightness settings can assist during nighttime or low visibility environments. The air compressor includes both a USB charging cable and a long 12-volt direct current cord for dual convenience. Its ability to combine tire inflation, mobile charging, and lighting makes it a practical option for those looking for all-in-one equipment for home or outdoor use. In our list, the number 5 product name is AUXITO Portable Air Compressor. The AUXITO A502 Portable Air Compressor is a versatile tool that serves various inflation purposes, including car tires, bikes, motorcycles, and even toys or sports balls. Powered by a rechargeable battery or a 12-volt direct current power supply, this tire inflator ensures you are always prepared for emergencies. Its powerful motor and upgraded air cylinder provide rapid inflation, allowing a standard car tire to go from 0 to 36 psi in just 5 minutes, saving time during essential travel. Equipped with a robust 7,800 mAh battery, the AUXITO A502 can inflate 4 car tires in one charge, making it perfect for both home and on-the-go use. The included 12-volt car charger provides an alternative power source in case the battery runs low during critical moments, ensuring you are never left without a working tire inflator. The quick charge feature, offering a full battery in just 1 hour, keeps this air compressor ready for use much faster than standard models that require several hours for charging. The large LCD display shows precise tire pressure readings, and the preset pressure function ensures automatic shutoff when the desired pressure is achieved, reducing the risk of overinflation. In addition to its tire inflating capabilities, this device has multiple other functions. It includes 4 preset modes for various inflation needs, with the ability to set custom pressures. This tire inflator can also double as a power bank to charge mobile phones and features an LED light for nighttime visibility. With its efficient design and reliable performance, the AUXITO A502 air compressor is an essential tool for anyone seeking convenience and peace of mind while on the road. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.